How to see mature content on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide on how to see inappropriate pictures on Instagram. To do so, first launch Instagram app on the device. You will head over this profile or the home screen of Instagram when you log in or sign in, and then tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap three-line icon at top right corner. On the settings and activity page, you have to scroll down and locate the option for suggested content, which is what you see under that. So when you open this, you will find sensitive content. Let's tap on it. And it has been set to more. So in order to see mature content on Instagram, you simply have to select more so that you can see more sensitive contents on Instagram. So that is how we can easily see inappropriate pictures or videos on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and then thank you for watching.